So I'm going to show you how I use this on an evening with nothing else. So no creams before, no creams after. It's just at the side of my bed, and I use a couple of drops. So it really does go a long way. And I massage it into my skin for about 1 to 2 minutes in kind of little circular motions. And then I do the 7-11 breathing technique, in for 7, out for 11. And I do that a few times so that the essential oils really get into my system. And then I would probably follow this on by spritzing my pillow with the Perfect Night's Sleep pillow mist. And that's it, that's me done.